Today is the first day of the year 2020. I should be happy. I should be hoping for the future. But that's exactly what I've done for the past 25 years of my life right now. And for the first time, it feels that it's not enough. I think we need to start doing something for ourselves. You know, the Awaken Foundation was created to unify the people. Let's talk about the NETA network. Its foundation is a collaboration of like-minded people who came together to build a platform of network to aid the diaspora communities. Every one of us that are throughout the world, we need to unify our strength, our knowledge, our abilities, and also our willingness to go back home and change the situation. We owe this to our children. We need security. We need engineering. We need lawyers that understand the system and wants to stand against it. All this is achievable. It requires the need for the people of Haiti and the diaspora to work as one in that trust. We all know that we need money to make things happen on this system. But we also know that money is just a tool. History tells us that when people of color gathered together and created something called the Black Wall Street, it was one of the most prolific and successful platforms for the people of color. It invested into their homes, their land. It invested into the equipment that they needed. And it became very prosperous. There were two of them, one in Florida, one in Oklahoma, I believe. Both were destroyed by air bombing and gun blazing on the street, killing thousands. However, it's not part of our history book. Wonder why. We had enough. The diaspora has enough. We no longer want to go back home divided, but we want to go back as multiple arrows together, strengthened with one another. This is why the trust has been created. This trust will allow us to invest in ourselves. I am the first one to invest into that trust. I have put $10,000 into that trust. I am looking for 10,000 people to 100,000 diaspora who wish to be part of this investment structure. This investment structure will be the insurance required for the credit union that we want to put in out there. This credit union will be for the diaspora. It will be investing in the diaspora projects, businesses, homes, and all the members that are going to be part of this credit union. We need to unify, this time wisely. So I am also asking those who have interest or knowledge in finance, law, business, please join me. Under our network, we have multiple companies. We need more. We have multimedia. We have recycling, which is IGI. We have the technology, which is part of NETA. We have other ones, but we need way much more. It is a collaboration that is taking place right about now. And what it requires is your need, your incentive, your willingness, your participation. I cannot do this on my own. But in a country, there's not just I, it's all about we. This year we will stand together. We will create a platform for our children. We will build our future. It is all that is necessary. The only thing that divides us right about now is the lack of knowledge of who we are. If I tell you that Haitians are not slaves who came from Africa and has been fighting for freedom for 400 years, and for the next 200 years have been fighting a psychological warfare, and today they have nothing to show for. This is partially true, but then again, we are not from Africa. Awaken Haitian has put together numerous information about who the Haitians are and how important you are. This is why you are kept in the statue that you are in right now. If you think you are only fighting against yourself, you are completely wrong. You are being suppressed in every sense of the word because it is a psychological warfare. But if I tell you that all you need to do is to know who you are, truly understand why you're going through all this, and make a stand together, then you will see what I'm talking about. Because I do not consider myself an idiot. I do not consider myself the wrong skin. I do not consider myself the unwanted. I do not consider myself a religious person. Because in essence, religion is not what God intended. But what am I? I am like you. I'm a person who's looking for a solution. We have met with a team of pastors, and we have met with people that are calling themselves Petite Guinée, 6,000 strong, who deserve to be heard. We are putting our effort together, our strength together, and all it's required right now is you. We need you. We need you to get up. This year, you are not going to stand aside and look at your country being destroyed. You are going to take part of the reconstruction, but it's going to be a thoughtful reconstruction, a reconstruction with a structure, a meaning, and also a purpose to leave behind something that is worth talking about. I wish you all strength, knowledge, wisdom, heart, and courage, and courage, and courage. Our country deserves it. Our people deserve it. And you deserve it also as well. Thank you.